Sparrow. Enterprise structure, definition, logistics, plant. Now we will create plants where production will be executed, stocks will be placed, distributed, and transferred. So we will need multiple plants because automotive structure has multiple plants. ZAP. Okay, we have ZAP 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. So what we'll do, ZAP 0. ZAP. Save. All the required fields. Okay. AE. Okay. This is done. So we have ZAP 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have multiple plants already being made. Now comes the next part, that is division. Location division. Okay. Division. LS, small cars. Small cars, XC. So we have two divisions, LS and XC. XC for small cars. Okay. Next is storage location, plant, ZAP 0. Okay, Sharjah. We already have a location. So we'll create for ZAP1. ZAP1, new entries. Purchase organization, we'll maintain that. This will be a central purchase organization. ZAP9, ZAP0. ZAP9 central purchase org. Definition is done. Assignment. And plant. Company code. ZAP9, ZAP1. This is purchase or to company code. We have ZAPO and ZAP9. So ZAP9. So we can use any of these purchase organizations or both of these. So it can be a distributed network of purchase organizations, or it can be a central purchase organization. Okay. Find purchase org to plant. ZAP. Okay, ZAP9. Copy as ZAP. Oh, okay. Save. New entries. Zapo, Zap1. Next is material management. Purchasing. Create purchasing groups. LPG. Okay. Oh, sorry, XPG. Okay. Zinc group. XGP. Okay. Two. So we have two purchasing groups now. Why do we use purchasing groups? Because if your purchase organizations are just too many, you can have purchase groups as per your areas, material type, locations. Based on that, you can have your purchasing groups. Now, purchasing groups can be location specific, material group specific. Okay. Okay. Next is logistics, material master, setting for key fields, find material groups. Okay. Okay, metals ZAP 9. We can create our own material metals. Next part is OMSY. This is important. ZAP. Okay, ZAP 9 2024 period is 12th period. Okay. Okay. Then if the current period is 12th, then the previous month is going to be 11th automatically, and previous month of the last year, that is 2020, was 12. Okay. Okay, now it has changed to 11. Save. SPRO. logistics, material master, um, material types, define attributes of material types. Now we have three types of materials: finished good, semi-finished good, and raw material. Okay. So we will find for FART, which is finished good. FERT, quantity value updating. Now quantity and value updating is specific to at plant level. Okay, under FERT material. Press enter, ZAP. Now over here, ZAP 0, ZAP 1 has quantity and value updating. Rest all of the plants have the checks. Now, quantity and value updating means if the material is moved, purchased, stored, consumed for or under this plant or within this plant, the transaction will record for this material type the quantity change or update and value change and update. Okay, simple as that. Otherwise, it will not record it. Okay, if it is empty, that means this plant was creating, it happens, it can be for making samples of free goods. Then quantity and values are not needed because those finished goods might be used for marketing or exhibition purposes, which can be done, but we actually want that for updating in our production order. Pipeline allowed and pipeline mandatory. This is used in beverages and oil and gas industry where the flow of finished goods or any material type is continuous. Okay. This is good. Okay. Next is ROH, which is raw material. Same. Plant-wise, we'll need quantity and value updating because values get updated at plant level. Enter. ZAP. Okay, ZAP 9. ZAP 1. Next, we'll update the semi-finished goods, which is HALB. HALB is semi-finished goods, which is, this is a standard by SAP. Enter ZAP, ZAP 1. Okay, next material type is the fourth one, packaging, which is VERP, verb. ZAP. This was saved. FART, double click. Okay. Now, over here, we have this option, internal purchase orders, external. External, whether this can be procured and acquired from external sources, or it will be produced within the enterprise or within the plant. So we have these options, which is 0, 1, and 2. 2 is allows both internal, external. Okay, no external purchase allowed, but warning issued, external purchase allowed. And same goes for internal purchase orders. Now, internal purchase orders, where is it? Yeah. Internal purchase order is for plant to plant as well. Okay. Now, material management, purchasing, purchase order. Okay. Now we want to set the tolerance limit. Set tolerance limit for price variance. Okay. Now over here we have tolerance key PE and SE, which is price variance and maximum cash discount reduction when purchasing. Okay, cash discount reductions will are part of a purchase understanding. Okay, so what we'll do, uh, let me just see if I have made it already. Zap 9. Okay, PE and SE. Now over here, amounts will be in AET. Lower limit, don't check that. Percentage tolerance limit. I mean, tolerance is the difference in the amounts that can be inserted in purchase orders. Upper limit, this is for lower limit, and this is for upper limit. Check limit in percentage. If the percentage goes over 10% of the set price, then it will give an alert or throw an error. Okay. Okay, next part. Next is inventory management. Oh, okay, inventory management and physical inventory. Plant parameters. Zero 03. Zap. Zap 0. Copy as Zap 1. Okay, storage location will be selected automatically. BOM usage will be, let's see the F1, what it says. What is BOM usage? Okay, This key defines the area such as engineering, design, or production where a BOM can be used. By setting various indicators, you define the maximum configuration of item status. Define whether an item must be or cannot be processed in a particular area. A material used in areas, production, costing, and a company for each area maintains separate BOM with different items. Production BOM, this contains items that are relevant to production. And what is BOM? Bills of material. Bills of material, list of all materials, which will be used to make a finished good, semi-finished good using raw materials. And finished good will be made with a combination of semi-finished good and raw material. These items are copied to planned order. Dependent requirements are generated for them and they are copied to the production order. Costing BOM contains items that are relevant to determining material cost of a product when you calculate production cost using a quantity structure. Now, what is a quantity structure? Quantity structure is combination of bills of materials, which is list of materials, and routing. Routing is recipe of using all these materials to create a finished product. The system automatically determines the BOM and all the BOM items that are relevant to costing in order to calculate manufacturing costs. So the system automatically, so it picks up the bills, the materials automatically. So what can be the usage over here? 1, 2, 0. And it is not actually giving a list. This is by default, I guess it has picked up. Okay. Physical inventory, movement allowed, movement allowed. What is movement? This is basically, let me explain. There are movement codes for SAP for materials. Movement types in SAP for materials. So there will be movement when there is GRN, which is good receipt note, when goods are received at the gate and moved to the store. Then from the store to QF, for example, there will be a movement type. Now, movement type are numbers 120, 501, 601. These are some standard movement types described by SAP. As in FI, we have posting keys like 40 for debit and 50 for credit for GL. And $21, $31 debit credit for vendors. Okay. Same like 01, 11 for customers, again debit credit. Same goes where with movement type. So these are the movement types. So will this material or will this plant have movement types recorded or not? Okay. Alternative unit means per liter per meter. Ordering unit can be in batches and consumption units can be alternate in meters or liters, whatever. And if the material has been stocked and has not been moved, so days movement will be allowed is 10 days. Retention period will be 30 days. Okay. Negative stocks. Okay, we're not touching negative stocks. We will apply this. Summarize missing parts. And I don't know what this is. We'll apply this. Number of 80 entries copied. Save. Save. Okay. Now, plant parameters are done. Now let's go back and number assignment. Define number assigned for accounting document, physical inventory docs. Okay. So we'll have numbering ranges for material documents. We will have interval as well. Non-assigned elements pose difference without numbers and reservation. These are not assigned. Inventory documents will be given IB, physical inventory document count and difference ID, which happens during QA process. Physical inventory counting document IN. Now, what is INIZ ID? So let's check this. What are the numbering range? IB, ID, IN. We don't have IB, ID, IN. We have X1. Okay. X1. Okay, we have all of this assigned. GI transporting GI is goods issue, good receipt for purchase order, good receipt for order, issue, transfer posting, other goods movement. Okay, goods movement for inventory, delivery supply, and these are basically assigned already. Okay, we have already assigned this. Okay. Now, next part is good receipt, set tolerance limit, company code, ZAP. Okay, ZAP 9. We have B1, B2, VP. Order price quantity variance, moving average price variance. So if there is a difference in invoice and at the time of good receipt, the price is changed due to freight, costing, foreign currency, then the variance will be calculated. Double click. I guess it's stuck over here. Let's stop over here.